Hey guys, my name is Sam with KC Lawns, and today I'm going to show you how to unhook and set a trailer. Let's dive into it. The first thing that you're going to do is set the chalk. Take a big old brick or an old retaining wall block or something and then throw it right up underneath this. This is relatively level ground, and so something that is 2.5 inches is going to do fine. If it's more sloped, then you're going to need something bigger than this. I'm going to pull this guy up like so and put that pin back inside. What this does is it makes sure that this ball is going to be freely removed. We're going to remove this guy right here. This is the power. The last thing is the trailer breakaway switch. How you're going to do this is you're just going to yank this out right here. I can't tell you how many YouTube videos I looked for and tell me whether or not I can do that. We're going to set this here. Put that pin in there. These don't really crank out that much. I like to put like a concrete base under there. Make sure that you're at a proper safe distance away in case this pops off. We're gonna make sure that it's above the ball right there. Is that it? All right, folks, so now that's how you unhook and set a trailer. If this was helpful, be sure to like the video so other people can find it. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.